qualities to perform the job effectively. Here is a brilliant tip to help you give the perfect answer. In your answer, I recommend you talk about these four things: your skills, the experience you can bring to the role, achievements you have attained in your life so far, and also the type of person you are and how you will add value in the role. You will notice that the four things stand for SEAT, SEAT, and you can easily remember my SEAT structure. For tell me about yourself because you will be sitting down on a seat at your job interview. Let me now give you the perfect answer to interview question number one. Tell me about yourself. Here we go. Thank you for this opportunity. I'm a hardworking, diligent, collaborative, and responsive team player with the skills to match the job description. My experience working on teams, problem solving, and delivering on time sensitive projects means I can hit the ground running in the role. I have a track record of achievement. In my last role, I was praised for my strong work ethic, adaptability, and how I volunteered to help train new team members. If you help me, I will be a positive company role model. Oh, and take ownership of my professional development to make sure I can continually adding value to my team. That is the perfect six structure answer to that question. Tell me about yourself is a brilliant response that will get you interview off to a confident start.